sound. When the work week's done and the weekend rolls round, everybody knows where I can be found. I'll be fishing all night and day, strapping from the shore, fluking in. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in once again to Fish Long Island. Today again is going to be another how-to video. With the winter months in, there's really not much fishing going on. As you can see, take a look at this. This is crazy. This is the bay, completely frozen solid. See all that ice on it? The crab box frozen. Ice. One path is from the workboat coming in and out, as you can see. Complete solid ice out here. But anyway, back to the video. This video is going to be a how-to video on how to make a storage bin, a little DIY storage bin for all your surf fishing lures. So very simple to do, very simple stuff. You just go to Home Depot. I grabbed 2, I probably could use 3 vinyl water spouts for the gutters. Basically these things right here. But those are the aluminum ones, so I bought the vinyl plastic ones to use for this project. So, with that being said, we're going to get out the saw, chop up the pieces. I measured up. I figured 10-inch height would be perfect for it. And I think I can get 6 across on one side or 5 across, and I forgot what the other one was, maybe 15 down. So I should have probably got a third one. I only got the 2, but let's see how far I can go. Maybe I could do something and have another spot open for like the Polano boxes, and maybe for other terminal tackles such as swivels and line and stuff. Maybe you could add something to that. But we'll go play with it, see what we could do. Nice winter project to do to secure all our surf fishing lures. All right, let's go inside and check it out. All right, so what I did here to make things just a little bit easier is, being that I'm going to cut these all at 10 inches, I measured from the blade to there with a rule, and I made a 10-inch mark, as you can see there. So I'll just pop them through and stop each one at that red mark, and it will be the 10 inches. Just to make things a little easier, I'm just using a DeWalt chop saw here. And there's our gutter. Alright, let's get to chopping these. Alright, for this project I had this Polano Sportsman trunk that was in my basement forever. It's a typical storage bin, as you can see. And these are the pipes that I cut 10 inches long. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. It was 5 across. I wasn't sure if it was 6 or 5. Alright, and you can see how those go in there. Now I'm not sure how I'm going to secure them, if I'm going to do tape or just leave them once they're all in together so nothing moves. And that's basically how it's going to look. Here's all our pieces cut. And we just start placing them in one by one. Like I said again, I'm not sure if I tape these in or put something in there to secure it, maybe some wood or something, because this whole thing is uneven. You can see there's all grooves in the bottom, so it's not a perfectly even case. But let's see what we can make of it. There's a little pressure really in there. Yeah, I think if we did some tape, maybe some black tape might work good. Some Gorilla tape, duct tape, that type of tape might work perfect for that, to get everything in order. Oh, we'll see what we do. Let's start putting it together. All right, so I grabbed some black Gorilla tape, as you can see here, and I threw a piece of tape in it to try to secure these tubes a little better. Not all the way through, just only on the one side, just to see how that worked, to hold everything together a little better. So now I'm going to slip it back into the case and see how it works. All right, there's your second row in. You can see you did that with the tape again. Your second row of tape put in there, and then we inserted everything into the tubes there, and we'll keep going. All right, let's keep rocking and get some more rows in. All right, so here we go. I did not get enough tubes. I thought 2 might have been all right, but I definitely did my math wrong. It looks like I need 4. So that's what I got done with 2 tubes, and I still have all of this to do. So definitely, I would say another 2 tubes should be plenty to finish that. But that's basically what it looks like. I just have to run back to Lowe's or Home Depot. Either store will work. These I believe I got from Lowe's. So I'm just gonna run back and grab these and get 2 more pieces and finish this project. But as you can see, this is what it's looking like so far. Okay, and I made those 10 inches. So you could get any size lure you want in there basically. You can even put Flutter spoons in there if you needed. They're perfect for that as well. So that's basically how it's coming together. All right, just got back home from Home Depot and grabbed another 2 sections and loaded up on some new ones for to finish off this project here. But this was actually cheaper. It was $3 cheaper per 10-foot section at Home Depot versus Lowe's. So definitely if you're gonna do this, did the exact same things, I would just go to Home Depot and get it and save yourself $3 per section. So that would be 3 times 4. So nice little savings. Alrighty, let me get back to doing this and I'll show you the job when it's done. Alright, so check it out. This is the completed fishing lure, surf lure storage system. Also, you can put your Flutter spoons in here. That's what it looks like. So basically what I did is I cut these 10 inches long in height-wise. Okay, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across and 8 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's quite a lot of lure storage that you could put in there. And I put a couple in there so you could see. It's a fairly large herring lure. Just drop it right in there, lay the hook, lay the hook right over the side, and you're good to go. And you can see how that sits in there. There's a surface lure over there. So now I'll fill this up with all the lures, and I know where everything will be. So it's a nice way to keep all your lures together. You'll be organized, and very easy to do. Once again, that was a Plano Sportsman trunk that I got. Guess you could pick those up at any tackle store, Bass Pro Shops, any of those stores will have it. And then just a simple, these are the 10-foot, I believe, sections of gutter, and I got the vinyl ones, not the aluminum. And just chopped them up, 10 inches, and that's what I came up with. All right, cool. On to the next project. Let's put some lures in here and see how it looks. All right, so I grabbed some lures in my box. You can see they're all just thrown in here. Whole assortment of lures, Super Strikes, Yozoris, D.I.Y. So let's see how they all fit. Let's start throwing some lures in there. All right. Surface swimmers we could all put in one area. Okay. Poppers, I got a Sea Strike. These are the bigger ones. Floater. Just throw them in one of those boxes over there. Okay. Now this is a real big Yozori. Let's see. Go right into one of those boxes, no problem. There we go. We made those 10 inches, so plenty of room for all the lures. There's another. Got another one, so we'll just put that in the same box. And that's 2 in there right now. No problem fitting. Right there. So you got 2 of them in there now. Okay, so I'll just keep popping all sorts of lures in there. Take all these lures out of the plastics and just pop them all in there. You probably have some room on the side here too if you want to put a couple that are still in the plastic on the side. You can probably do that, but I think I'm just going to take them all out of the plastics and see how they go. I got a deep dive lure right here, Yozori. All sorts of goodies in this box. Great color, white. Some more good old mag darters. Not sure if you can see those. We're going to fill this box up right now and get them all in there. All right, let's cut packages and pop them in. So one big thing of storage, that's it. That's a pretty cool popper. Love the color. Never used, all brand new. But we'll put it in the top water section, which we created on this side. What else do we got? Here's another top water lure. Just cut this one out. These are ocean-born lures. Never even used them, brand new. Pull them out, pencil popper. Oh, there's an interesting one. This only has the one single hook, that's it. That's actually pretty interesting. I like this lure, especially if you got bluefish around. Pretty cool. One single hook. Drop it in. Surface lures. Alright, what else do we got? Got another popper by the Ocean-born. Pop this bad boy out. Nice colors on these lures too. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, metallics. Greens and blues. Razor sharp hooks. Guess these are VMC hooks. Another popper. We'll just throw that one in there. And as you can see too, it's fitting multiple lures in each one. These are 2x3s too. I don't know if I told you that. 2 inches by 3 inches on these pieces. We got a D.I.Y one now. I'm gonna pop this one out. Great popper. Look at that. Nice mouth on that thing. I'm gonna throw a lot of water. Take this rubber band off without getting hooked. Also be careful. These hooks are razor blades. They are so sharp. All right. This is like a yellowish bone color on this lure. The D.I.Y, looks like it says Hibachi popper. Alright, let's get it in there. We'll throw that one in there. As you can see, got tons and tons of lures in there. This looks like a Finding Nemo over here, this D.I.Y popper. You can see that one. And I'm just taking all these things out. I'm going to throw all these boxes away. And just have all these lures in one section to grab. I don't know if I can fit 3 in there. These are pretty big poppers. Doesn't look like I can. I can fit it over here though. Looks like nope. Definitely mixing with the pencil poppers. There you go. I'll clean it up a little better as I'm going along. Right now I'm just having some fun. Here's a tin lure. You can see heavy duty metal lure. I'll put this on the opposite end. Over there. This lure I'll put here. I'm swimming. Got another ocean-born lure. This is identical to the other one. This is an SLD, so I'm not sure what the initials are. I'd have to look them up to see what they are. But no, this one's heavy actually. This is probably a sinker. This one weighs a lot actually. Much heavier lure than the other one I had. And that says, you know, OB-Flying Popper 140 SLD. So I have to look those up and see exactly what that is. But it's very similar to this one, which is much lighter. Okay. And this is a 140. That looks like a... This is a 140 floater. Okay. So that's the difference, sinker and a floater. Let's pop those in there together. Same lures, but just doing different things. Awesome. Alright, so as you can see, we started loading some lures in here. You take a look. I got my beautiful wife Jennifer behind the camera right now. So you can see we started throwing some lures in there. Let's see if I can lift it up for you so you can see a little better how much you can get in there. Not just some that I threw in there just to see what we could do. It's actually a lot of fun going through my old stuff that's been in boxes. Usually everything's been in boxes like this in the basement. But I say, no, let's have some fun and do this winter project. Now when all said and done, you basically have your cover. Fits right in. Perfect. Lock both sides. You get to go. Throw it in your car, garage, storage, whatever. Empty out all these boxes. And everything's one. In this one giant box. Throw this right in your car, like I said, wherever it may be, in your boat, or just in storage in your garage or in your basement. And everything's right here in one single place. So that's it. That's my D.I.Y lure organizer. Right, guys. Well, that's just me having some fun, organizing some stuff. I'll probably spend the next hour or two having fun going through all my lures during the winter months. Getting dark out there. Dark and cold. Man, that ice is crazy. Been a real cold winter so far. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoy this type of content. Really what I could do right now this time of year is some how-to videos, some D.I.Y videos. So if you enjoy this type of stuff, or if you have any ideas what you'd like me to try out doing, write them in the comments below, and we'll get them done for you. But again, thank you all for watching. If you could subscribe, that'd be amazing. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Enjoy, guys. Take care.